Hello there, welcome to Broken Tool Garage. So this is my YouTube channel where I fix things that are broken and show you how I go about doing that, solving problems. So today I'm going to be working on my Ramcharger. I got some wheel adapters I'm going to be putting on there because I'm going to a 16-inch more modern rim. So you can see the old tire right here, right? And then you can see the new one over here, and the pattern doesn't match. So I'm going to go over what that really means, give a good analysis of that, and how to put them on. So let's get started. As an example, if we look at the bolt pattern on the wheel, it's a 5 on, I forgot what this is, it's like a 135 millimeter or something. So 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. And then a millimeter across is how far across the distance is from lug to lug, right? So if we look at this, get a good look at that. Then we come over here and look at, say, the Mustang. That is a 5, but that's a lot smaller distance than what we have here. So I kind of have the same thing going on over here on the Ramcharger. It just isn't as pronounced. So this is the factory wheel. Get down in there. Let me undock you. So that's the factory wheel and bolt pattern, and it's really close to these here, but not quite the same. So that's why I needed the wheel adapter, so I can adapt these wheels on this truck. So that's what I'm about to go over. Alright, my wheel adapters came in. I got these from Performance Wheel Adapters. They were $75 for a pair, so that puts me at, I think I paid $110 for the wheels, all four, with center caps. Well, one was missing a center cap. Plus two of these, that puts me at about $260, $270 for wheels and wheel adapters. The wheels I were looking for that would match the truck, that I would not need these for, I think there was almost $200 each. So significant savings there. I mean, yeah, they would be new, but not necessarily required. Probably cutting through my receipt here or something. So, if I can get my razor that I apparently has used up, cut. There we go. Didn't anticipate this being that difficult. There we go. Okay, so I have 5 on 5.5, so that's 5 lugs on 5.5 inches is what I have on the Ramcharger. The wheels are 5 lug on 135 millimeter, so whatever that comes out to. Pull out my calculator, right? So that's 135 divided by 25.4. So 5.3 inches instead of 5.5 inches. So that's 314. Yeah, some oddball. So not quite 3/8. So the wheels were a little bit smaller than what the Ramcharger was. So open these up, stop talking, start doing. Now these are made in the USA. That's one reason I went with them. They also are made out of one piece of aluminum. They're not a cast aluminum like some of the other cheaper ones are, which means they're a lot stronger. Okay, here's my pair. That's what they look like. Okay. I always like to check to make sure I'm not, showing you something over like that, right? So, this right here, these holes here, I would use the lug nuts to bolt it to the vehicle, and then the wheel would go on to these right here. And then they even come with the lug nuts that go with it, so I don't know if I'll be using those or not. I forgot what I did last time. Anyways, I got a specific thickness, and this is the same thing I did on the front. So it's actually going to space my wheel out a little further, which if you remember the old Dodge trucks, and well, everyone kind of did it, they had the wheel, the wheel weld, they had the wheel weld, and then the wheel stuck way inside, so this would get it more even. So anyways, that's how that works. So I'll come in and make sure I torque these on real good, and then I can put the wheel on and go for a test drive on it. So like I said, these are one piece aluminum right here, not cast, so that's a real good product. Alright, well, catch y'all after work when I'm going to actually put these on and get into hobby work clothes. So, got the wheel adapters on the Ramcharger and test drove it. Everything goes fine. So, that's how you put wheel adapters on a vehicle. If you like what you see, then make sure to hit that like, subscribe, that way you see more of my content, and make sure to share as well. So, see you next time on Broken Toy Garage.